In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the refresh rate on any iPhone model, including the 16 Pro Max. You will be able to choose between locking it to a fixed 60 Hz or having upwards of 120 Hz. So all that you have to do is access these settings to change the refresh rate or frame rate options. Now go into the accessibility category, so scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Inside of the accessibility category, you will be able to go into motion. So under vision, find motion. And now you will be able to find the only option related to controlling the refresh rate on any iPhone model, including the 16 Pro Max. The option is going to be limit frame rate. Of course, like I mentioned, this is going to be the same thing as refresh rate, so don't worry, even if it says frame rate. So basically, if this option is on, you will lock the refresh rate to 60. So if you prefer lower refresh rates because it gives you discomfort when you are using high refresh rates, all that you have to do is enable this and you will be locked to 60. This option is going to be off by default. And if it is off, it is going to automatically adjust your display and it can give you upwards of 120 Hz. The reason why I say can give you upwards of 120 Hz is because, like I mentioned, it will automatically adjust the screen. If you are doing something fast-paced like playing a game, usually it is going to use 120 Hz. However, if you are just doing browsing and basic stuff, it is automatically going to lower the refresh rate, maybe to something like 80 or even 60 if the activity is very slow. Sadly, there is no option to fix it to 120 Hz. This is done in order to save battery. So with the adaptive refresh rate option that is in place by default, your battery is going to be better utilized. So all that you have to do is either enable this option if you want lower refresh rates or set it to off if you want to automatically adjust the screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone 16 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.